So it's Tiffany, and I'm going to show you the next move for our 10-minute butt challenge 21-day fix. We're actually going to borrow a couple moves from the 21-day fix. So today these are sitting moves. Okay, so I'm going to go down on the floor. Like this. Okay, so the first one looks like this. Both legs are on the floor. I'm going to just move this leg up and out. Up and out. Up and out. Up and out. And I can already feel that working. So that's about 10 reps right there. Now, a rep means one time. And for one time for this exercise is up and out. That's one time. Then we switch to the other leg. Left and then right for 10 reps. Okay, the second move is going to be, place your leg, one bent, one straight. We're going to lay down. This is going to be opposite arm to opposite leg. And this is also for 10 times. So I just pulled 4 there. And we're going to switch to the other side. Bend the knee. Here. Here. And we come out. Okay, the last move is actually a circle. So you're going to go ahead, just lift the leg, and we're circling. This is about for 15 seconds. And we switch to the other side, circle. Those are our 3 moves for tonight. The rest of the workout is exactly what we did yesterday, with going back to your core and then lifting from the floor. Okay? Alright guys, good luck.